Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream at home for your face. First, gather your ingredients, such as nourishing oils like jojoba or almond, and a good emulsifying wax. Make sure all your tools, like bowls and spatulas, are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Choosing ingredients that match your skin's needs, whether it's dry, oily, or sensitive, is key to a successful cream. Next, we'll combine the oil and water phases. Gently heat your chosen oils and emulsifying wax in a double boiler until fully melted and combined. In a separate heat-proof container, warm your distilled water to a similar temperature. Slowly pour the warm water phase into the melted oil phase, continuously stirring with a whisk or immersion blender until the mixture begins to thicken and emulsify. Once your cream has cooled to below 40 degrees Celsius, it's time to add your heat-sensitive active ingredients. These could include vitamins, essential oils, or botanical extracts that offer specific skin benefits. Crucially, incorporate a broad-spectrum preservative to prevent microbial growth and extend your cream's shelf life. You can also adjust the consistency by adding a bit more oil or water if needed. Finally, proper storage is essential for your homemade face cream. Transfer it into clean, airtight, and preferably dark containers to protect it from light and air. Apply a small, pea-sized amount to your clean face and neck daily, morning and night, for optimal hydration and nourishment. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your beautiful, custom-made cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.